How to change your username on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username on BeReal. First open BeReal and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that click these 3 points here and then click on your profile, and that's it. Now all you need to do, just click username and type here any username you want, like anything you want, and then click change. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.